Gerson.
Ho, VW land, Merry Christmas.
Hit a deer. Well, a deer jumped into Ziggy. What's up, Pops?
Hey, AJ.
I'm back at TJK HQ. We got Jerry loaded up here, and you're actually gonna see that video. I think the week before you're gonna see this video.
So what we're doing today is we're dividing and conquering. I'm going camping down for Novemberfest, No Vows.
No vows.
VW Gang air coolers, Austin air coolers. We're gonna have some fun with that down at Mule Shoe and do a little canoeing. Oh, maiden voyage of the Grumman. It could sink. It could be the end of me. This could all be yours.
Not because it's easy, but because it's hot. He'll take the old aluminum canoe out. So that'll be fun. And then I am going camping in Oklahoma. Someone's paying me to go camping. So unique opportunity. They want to take photos of Ziggy the Bus camping and do Christmas photos. I was like, sure, I'll drive my bus up there for cash.
Cash talk.
Because why not?
So we're gonna split up. Jake Garrison's headed north and I'm headed south, and stick with us because it's gonna be an epic weekend. We're conquering the whole Southwest.
VW lifers. Jake here, just me this weekend on this trip. They're all down at Novemberfest, as you probably saw a video last week. But heading to Abilene, and I got someone paying me to go camping so they can use Ziggy in a photo shoot. New experience for me, never done that before. And I'm glad to take you with me, and hopefully it's fun. If not, getting paid to go camping, so can't complain. Well, VW lifers, it's lunchtime. Don't have Whataburger today. Gonna be doing a little more gourmet style. Find me a little dirt road to pull off of, and oh, here we are. Oh, it's really hard driving a bus with one hand. Let's see what we got going for lunch today. Lemon pepper chicken and some tortillas. There's an L in tortillas. Lemon pepper tacos coming to you from Ziggy the Bus on the side of this road. Oh yeah. There's a garlic chicken taco. Basics, baby. Time focus. Alright, VW lifers, it's 3:47 on this beautiful Sunday morning. Boondocked it last night here in Abilene, Texas. Got some fuel, but Ziggy the Bus is heading north to the border. It should be pretty fun. It's pretty early or late, depends on what you did last night. Anyway, let's hit the road. Well, VW lifers, coming into Oklahoma, hit a deer. Well, a deer jumped into Ziggy, and well, you know, it happens. We drive these things, but here's what it looks like. Ripped off my Bondo. You can see right here, Bondo comes in. Ziggy was kind of rough. Ziggy was rough when we got it, and just widener. At least it didn't hit my nose, right? Kind of swerved, but it really sucks. Yeah. All right, y'all. So behind me, you got Ziggy getting set up for the mad photo shoot. We got Sarah here. She's a mad photographer. Does great things. This is Ziggy, and she's gonna make Ziggy look all pretty. So it'll be a pretty fun day today. All right, y'all. The man of the hour has arrived. Alright, maybe later I'll ask him for more Volkswagens for Christmas. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Santa taking a selfie. That's awesome. So over there, they got pictures. Over here, there's my setup. Got the cooler, water, chair. Basically just like camping in Big Bend. Alright, I'm sitting here with a VIP of all VIPs.
Hello!
Yep, that is Santa Claus sitting in Ziggy the Bus, baby. And Santa, I want to ask you, so we're the Volkswagen community.
Yeah,
And you're part of the reindeer community, I guess.
absolutely.
Yes, sir. So what kind of, like, these things, Volkswagens have 40 horsepower about.
Yeah,
So what kind of power are you putting down the sleigh?
I got 8 reindeer.
8 reindeer, yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah, it's pretty good though.
Okay.
Goes all around the world in one night.
One night,
Yeah.
no refills?
No refill.
Occasionally a carrot every now and then?
Yeah, just whatever they left in the yard. Yeah, carrot, an apple,
Mm.
a little bit of oats.
Okay.
They love the oats.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If I was wondering if I could ask for something for Christmas from you.
Well, of course.
So I'm in the Volkswagen world, and you know, Ziggy the Bus here. I was thinking about getting new seats.
New seats for
yeah,
Ziggy.
New seats for Ziggy, yes, sir.
Okay, we could probably work on that.
You think the elves can, like, you know,
Yeah,
get the good stitching?
yeah. I've got a team of elves that do nothing but upholstery.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, they make good couches. I guess they could do a seat.
Okay, y'all heard that. So elves now, you know, making seats for Volkswagen buses. So I can't complain with that.
Of course, you got to be on the nice list.
Oh, well, you know, that's debatable. But Santa, I'm just really happy you're here doing this with the kids, getting good photos, and hope
Love
you-
the children.
Yes, sir.
It's all about the children.
Yes, sir. We're about the Volkswagen community, and we like getting kids involved because they're the future drivers of Volkswagen.
They are.
Yes, sir.
And you get a bunch of them excited today.
Yes, sir. Well, Santa, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas.
And Merry Christmas to you,
Yes,
sir.
sir. And
Ho, 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 VW Land, Merry Christmas.
yeah, so the old man interviews all these people. I just interviewed Santa Claus. So who's the real winner here? Hopefully get new seats for Ziggy for Christmas. That'd be kind of cool. But thanks for your lifers. You like what you see? You know, hit that like button, subscribe, buy a hoodie. It's getting cold out here. I didn't tell Santa that I killed Blitzen. Blitzen technically jumped into Ziggy, so I don't know. Should I tell Santa? I'm not gonna tell Santa. Bye, Santa. All right, VW lifers, finished up day one. It was a really good photo shoot. I had 19 people come through. Hopefully it's 19 new subscribers. Time to get Ziggy back down to Texas. Gonna boondock somewhere. I don't know exactly where yet. We'll find out. But boondock somewhere, and then we got round 2 of photos tomorrow down in Texas. So should be pretty good. Hopefully no more deer. Guess I put the Bam and Bambi. Oh dear, that pun was bad. It's gonna cost a few bucks to fix that. A little bit of dough. Well, if y'all come up with any more deer puns, put it down in the comments below. I'll select one and you know, maybe get you a sticker or something. But thanks VW lifers for sticking along, and let's keep going. All right, morning VW lifers. So yesterday, I forgot to film this, but my heater wasn't hooked up. This is where I boondocked, but I forgot to hook up my heater yesterday. So I'm gonna get in there and I'm gonna show y'all what you do when you don't hook up your heater and it gets really, really cold. Wait. So last night, heater wasn't hooked up. Solution, zip ties. Come back here, the flap, pull it back. Oh, looks like I can tighten it a little bit more, but you want to keep that nice and tight. Zip ties on both sides, and open up the flaps and get air up front. All right. This morning, came back here to check oil and whatnot. There's a few drops on the ground. I mean, it's 2 drops, so it's not that much, but you can see right here a lot of oil kind of building up on the tin and up in there. Just gonna go with it. Right there's the concerning part. A lot of oil. But VW life, gotta keep pushing on. I think it's probably up under the shroud. Yeah, you can see it right there. But we'll see if we can get home and then pull the motor and see what we got. We got another day of photo shoot still. Oh yeah, that's not good down in there. Yeah, 2 separate oil leaks on the same motor, it looks like. Could be wrong, but it looks like it, you know. Got one more photo shoot to do today. Ziggy rolls. All right, y'all, been driving about 50 miles since this morning. I'm gonna let Ziggy cool off here. I'm gonna go check out what I got in the back, eat lunch here. It's about 1/3 of the way done my journey for today. When dealing with oil, just don't want to overheat. It's kind of a big thing. So I'm gonna check it here, check my levels, see if those leaks got worse. I'm gonna eat lunch, let it cool off, and then I'm gonna dig around back there.
Chicken tacos. It's not Whataburger. It's just not Whataburger. But it's good.
Doesn't look like it's gotten any worse. Over here, the oil's still pretty bad, but it's not getting any more further over. Doesn't look like it's getting worse, which I guess is good. Still not too thrilled that my bus is leaking oil. All right, VW lifers, time to take back to the house, get Ziggy going. And we're done with the photo shoot, so hopefully that oil leak can hold off so I can pull the motor tomorrow. Maybe have you there for that. All right, VW lifers, I want to thank you for sticking along on this journey with me. We love you. We do this for you. If you like what you see, hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Tell us all about your Volkswagen stories. Send us stuff. We want to hear your stories. That's why we do this, man. It's an awesome community. Ziggy's back on the shop and trying to get to work and see what that leak's coming from. But thank y'all.